So the London Property Investor Show, honestly we're really enjoying it. We've had a great experience so far. I've been to multiple different exhibitions over the previous 18 months, and this has definitely been the one that we've had the best outcome. We're getting a lot more emails, a lot more leads than we've ever had before, and a lot more interested buyers. This is what we've really enjoyed about the show so far. So this show specifically ticks so many boxes for us because it has such a diverse market. The people that are coming to the show specifically, from our experience, have been so diverse. They're not all asking just about Spain anymore. They're asking about Portugal, about Cyprus, about Turkey. They're asking about investing in retirement, also about rental income. And this is what makes this show so exciting for us, is just the diversification that we've seen. I'd like to thank Propertync for bringing us to this exhibition. We've had such a great experience, and especially Mr. Mehmet Kozansoy. So thank you so much for bringing us here.
Yes, the first time here, we're a newly formed company, Blue Nest Luxury Property Advisors from Northern Cyprus. So amazing day so far. Yesterday was quite busy, some very good inquiries and some quality customers. Most of the people here are investors. They're looking to buy either overseas property or UK property. But what's interesting that not many people know about is Northern Cyprus, and I suppose the new exciting things that are happening in North Cyprus, especially with Forbes magazine voted us #1 place to buy a beachfront property in the world. Okay, we assumed it was going to be more as a retail customer, so wanted to buy overseas property. It's been more of a corporate investor. Far higher quality than a normal holiday home, so people investing for the longer term and far higher quality.
Hello everyone, my name is Ali. I'm the managing partner of Kensington Development. We are here in the London Expo, and it's our second day, and it's going very busy as you see, and we have lots of customers, potential investors, and we are just launching our newest project, K Islands, and people are actually very much interested in our project. We have here very good potential clients from London market. It's good to be here, but also in this expo we had very good contacts. We found more partners for collaboration. So actually I would like to thank a lot to Propertync that giving us this service here. Such a fantastic experience and such a fantastic actually service. So thank you very much for Propertync as well.